is Brandon.
And hi, my name is Logan. Today we are going to show you some Skylanders. We also had a part 1, so our part 1 is when we showed you these Skylanders. Today we are going to show you these Skylanders. First we have Trap Shadow. He is a very nice guy.
He should be a trap master because he has trap in his name.
And now we have
Ninjini.
We have Ninjini. What I like about her, she has all smoke, her legs are just gas. And now we have Pop Fizz. It looks cool because it looks like he's drinking the potion. Now we have
Series 1.
We have Series 1 Double Trouble. We are looking for Royal Double Trouble. As you know, he looks really cool. It looks like he's from the 20s. And let's get another Skylander. Now we have a very rare Skylander.
Shoom Boom. Shoom Boom's not rare, but the golden type of Shoom Boom is rare.
That was very hard to find. And now we have here Tree Rex. It came with my brother's Giant set for the Wii. It's really cool. Now we have this little ninja. What's her name again?
Stealth Elf.
We have Stealth Elf. And it's cool because she's really tiny and she's like a giant. I never noticed that. And now we have Food Fight. He's really cool because he's holding a tomato. And now we have
Stump Smash.
We have Stump Smash. He is a very cool Skylander. And last but certainly not least, Stink Bomb. He's a very nice Skylander.
He's Swap Force.
Yes, Swap Force. And we hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't that long. But you can give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever works for you. Just please give us one of those. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.